bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, so we're gonna do a Michael's haul video. I want to show you guys what I got at Michael's recently. I've gotten a few things and I've been actually collecting them. And so let me show you the first thing that I got, which I was super excited about, is these really awesome flowers. I don't know if you can see them really well on camera, but they're these really beautiful, gorgeous flowers. They had these flowers 80% off when I went to Michael's. It was about a week, maybe a week and a half ago, and I found these beautiful, gorgeous flowers. I thought they were so beautiful and so gorgeous, and I don't know, there's just something about them that caught my attention. So I purchased a whole bunch of these. I don't know why. I really didn't have any reason behind why I got these. I just thought that the price were ridiculously insane, and I thought that they were just beautiful. So these were marked, these were actually $7 each flowers, and I got them for like $1.25, which was insane. So I'm like, okay, I have to get these flowers. I don't know why, but eventually I know that I would find something to do with them. But aren't they just beautiful? Like this one right here is just beautiful with the nice little detail in the center. And then you get this gorgeous one right here, which is just absolutely beautiful, right? And then you get this purple one, which is absolutely gorgeous as well. So these are really beautiful. So overall, I really like them. I just grabbed them. Honest to God, I thought that for $1.25, like I had to get them. Okay, let me just put them in here. I don't want them to collect any dust because these are fabric flowers and they will collect dust. Okay, so what else did I get at Michael's? Oh well, okay, I was insane when I saw this. I have been wanting to collect these little mugs since the first day I laid my eyes on them, okay? I'm not even going to lie to you. And I was able to collect them. I was able to get 4 of these little muggies. I'm so excited about that. And I just love the Santa face on these mugs. Oh my God. If I tell you, they're super adorable and so like vintagey looking. I just love them so much. So I got 4 of these Santa mugs. I love them. They're so cute. Look how cute these mugs are. Aren't these the most cutest little adorable Santa face in the world you've ever seen? I love them. These are so cute. These came out earlier, a few weeks ago it came out. I had my eyes on them and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to get 4 of these. I don't know how. I bought each one of these different dates because I had a 50% off coupon, and I wanted to just get 4 of them. So I was able to obtain like 4 of these. Now they have them 50% off without the coupon, which is okay. But so in case you guys are looking to get more of these or looking to grab some of these, the Christmas stuff is 50% off. They also have a reindeer mug, and I think they have, I want to say a snowman, but I'm not sure. But these are so cute. I really love them. The reindeer is also super adorable. I might grab a reindeer, but just one. Just to have it, just for fun. But I just really wanted to collect these. These were the ones I really want. Like I really wanted to get 4 of these. Love them. Okay. The other thing that I got that I also had my eyes on, and I finally found a way to get them. They were 50% off. Is these beautiful deers. You guys know how much I feel about baby deers and anything that's deer related. I love, right? I love deers. And I saw these a while ago, and I had my eye on these deers for quite some time. They had everything that was Christmas decoration 50% off. So I definitely took advantage. So I bought these two deers. So cute. Aren't they cute? They're so cute and so sparkly. Super sparkly. Has this cute little bell over here with a cute little ribbon. He is adorable. He is marked for $15, and again I got him for like $7.50 because everything was 50% off when I went. So I got this one that's really adorable, and then I got this one which is like the matching, I guess, deer you can say, and he's standing. This one is sitting. Just such a beautiful decorative item. I just love it. I think he's just so cute, and I'm so happy that I was able to find them. They only had, I mean, when everything came out for Christmas, of course everything was like madly like stacked up, right? But as time goes on, less of this is being seen, right? So when I went, they didn't really have much more of these. They only had like 4 of these left, which I was surprised because I would think that they would restock as time goes on. But I mean, I guess people are really buying all these like Christmas stuff really fast. Okay, so that's for that. I found these 2 paper pads on clearance. I bought these for like $1.25, I think it was, or maybe like $1.50. And they had a whole bunch of these papers in addition to other papers also, and they were on clearance. So I picked 2 of these up for $1.25. You really can't beat it. I do have the 12 by 12 paper pad from this actual collection. It is absolutely beautiful, but I thought that this is not a bad idea to have. I mean, you can always use these in a lot of things like tags and just a whole bunch of stuff. So this is really pretty right here. So I grabbed it. I thought it was a good idea to grab. For $1.50, you can't beat it, right? All right, perfect. That's for that. What else did I get? Okay, I didn't really get too much. And then I went and I found, which this is a really good idea, if you guys are looking to find these little things, you should go like right now to Michael's and like go through the and just go through the clearance section. So I bought these really fun little fillers, and what I'm thinking of doing is, I've showed you guys in my few last videos the lantern that I bought at Target. So I'm thinking of using this to fill in the lantern, and I thought to myself, what a brilliant idea, because this is silver, it goes with Christmas, it goes perfectly well with the decoration that I'm planning to do, and it was only $1.50. These are really pricey. These fillers normally cost $7. Actually, no, I'm lying. Normally cost $5. And they tend to be a little bit pricey. So if you need like a whole bunch of these to fill in like either, I don't know, a vase or a lantern, it could get a little bit pricey. So I bought these. These are the Halloween fillers, but they're silver, so they're perfect. They also had black, and they also had a mixture of like black, orange, and silver. So that is a brilliant idea. So make sure, if you need some like fillers for anything that you're doing for Christmas, if it's the colors that you're looking for, like silver or gold, it's not a bad idea to take a look at the clearance section for that. Okay, and then a few other things that I bought. I found one of these really fun little mini loaf pans. I like this because I wanted to do a few projects with you guys for the fall or Thanksgiving, and these are really awesome. So I found a few of these. I only bought one. I was gonna get a few, but then I'm like, no, I really wasn't too crazy about the colors. I mean, it's fall related, but it's not the colors that I'm really looking for. But I do want to do projects with you guys, so I picked it up anyway. Only picked up one, but it was 60 cents. So I mean, I thought it was really a good deal. Not so bad. That's for the Thanksgiving projects that we're gonna be doing soon. I also picked up a whole bunch of these because I have plans for these, but I want to show you. I picked up a whole bunch of these really awesome treat bags. I love these treat bags. I love that you get 12 in here, and I love the color. I love like the little squarey colors on it. It's not like the typical white clear treat bag, and it's perfect for what I'm planning to do with. I'm planning to do a project with this, and this is perfect for it. So I grabbed a whole bunch of these. These were actually 60 cents. So I'm like, it was like, I think like 70% off all the like the fall items. I grabbed a whole bunch of these because I have a lot of plans to use these little treat bags in different ways. So that's for that. And then I also picked up some of these clear treat bags, and these are really awesome as well. You get 25 in here, and again 60 cents. You can't beat it. I really love the shape of this one. It's like a oval, like a round oval kind of shape, and I like it. So I bought a whole bunch of these also. Again, you can use these for so many things. You know, like a treat bag. You put some candies in here. You can put some die cuts. Maybe you're gonna mail something else to your friends. You can use junk journaling and incorporate it in this. You can do this. You can do so much with this. So obviously, I picked up a whole bunch of those with the intentions of using it in the future. Okay, and then I picked up the last thing that I have here from Michael's is this. I picked up these two Christmas stickers. I don't need any more stickers in my life. I have tons of Christmas stickers, but I did see these and I could not resist. I had to get them. They're so adorable. They remind me of like a candy, it's more like what do you call those houses that you build? Candy houses, or I forgot what they're called, but they're really cute. These little stickers. It reminds me of those like gingerbread houses and like gingerbread man to build and you put together. That kind of like, it reminds me kind of that particular you know thing. So it kind of looks like a gingerbread house and like a little gingerbread train. It's so cute. It's so cute, and I love the pom-pom. I thought it was adorable. So I picked up two of these. They really have nice stickers for Christmas, but I have to go through my I have to revisit my stash that I have from last year before I start buying anything, because I know that I have tons of stuff left over from last year. So I'm gonna also do a video with you guys on that, because I haven't done a video quite a while. I haven't done one of those like revisit my stash for quite some time. So I might do that for Christmas, okay? And that's basically it, my loves. That's all I got from Michael's. I didn't get that much more. I have another whole video to show you guys about some thrifty stuff that I found, and I also have a Home Goods and Marshall's whole video also. Okay, I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. I will see you soon. Please make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for returning, and thank you so much for your support. I will see you guys soon. Please be safe out there and have a fantastic weekend, my loves.